Hey guys, hope your Christmas was amazing as mine. So today I just want to give you a tour of our new house after the renovation because we are somehow, let me say 95% done. The things left are just a few touch-ups we need to do. But most of the things are done and we moved in. So let's go. So I'm gonna start from the backyard. This is our awesome new backyard. We decided to paint the house all white, and these are the new additions we made to the backyard. We've put the garden lamps. This is our store. We'll be doing some work on it pretty soon, so for now it stays that way. We put this plant right here at the door, at least to add some beauty to it. So right at the backyard is the kitchen, which we also painted white. This was like brown before, just the color of wood, and we changed them into white. Our worktop remains black. These are the damages we got during the demolitions. They are yet to be fixed, and you'll notice most of the things are still down. The pantry is not done, the shelves have not been put. We are just trying to arrange things. We just moved in. This is our long corridor, and we turn left to the sitting room. So you'll notice we still have the old seats, which we also need to change. The curtains are not up yet, but the gypsum is done. This is the entertainment unit, fully done. So these are the bedrooms. You notice no curtains have been put yet. We are just trying to organize the house, just moving in, bringing things in bit by bit. So this is another bedroom, still organizing. You notice a bed sheet as a curtain over there. This is our bathroom, all white, all done, though the shower has not been installed. I told you there are a few things that are still not done yet. This is the toilet. We just have one toilet since it's my parents left here. That is also done. And this is our magic mirror at the sink. So this is how it works. You touch that, it comes on, and you touch again and it goes off. So this is another bedroom. We are still packing. So this is our main TV, which got damaged during the demolition, yet to be repaired. Don't mind our clothes all over the place. We are still in the process of packing. And finally, my favorite place. This is the veranda, the extension we made. The Christmas tree is still here. Still work to be done here also. You notice the tiles have not been put on the veranda, so that is what is left for that area. Hi! Hi! So the gutter also has not been put. So currently our tank is not collecting any water, but that will be done pretty soon. You notice there are a lot of things all over the compound. We are still cleaning and rearranging the house. The dish has already been installed, and I just want to show you some of the damages we got, like this. That's a broken mirror over there, broken glass. So those are yet to be fixed, but most of the things are done. So this is the back of the house, not the backyard, but this is the back of the house. I showed you the backyard already. This is so this is where we have all the waste material here. So the waste decra, this is the waste wood. All the wastes are dumped here as we wait to reuse. Like the wood, will be using them as firewood, as we always do. So this is the view of the house from the side. Please let me know what you think about it, the whole renovation, the whole process. And this is the view from the main gate. That is the front view of the house. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give the video a like and subscribe if you haven't. Bye bye and Happy New Year.